find myself in another basement on this beautiful snowy day, riding around town, showing houses. So this is a pretty good sized basement. It could really be finished pretty nicely. Obviously, you need a second railing coming down that stairwell. You like to see these columns. These are cement filled, which means they are fire safety. Nice beam going all the way across. Let's take a look at this furnace. Wheel McLean. Looks like it's been updated at some point. Nice water tank, right? Electrical panel. You got 200 amps coming in, and you got a bunch. If you want to finish down here and do recessed lighting everywhere, you can obviously do that. So overall, it's a pretty good time. That's going to be your water line, right? Your water meter. You got laundry. I'd probably finish down here. Seems like it could be done pretty easily. And then you can enjoy a nice, fun basement with its own walkout. That's pretty cool. Look at that. That's that New England life. If you're looking for a house, you're looking for something cool to buy, and you want to make sure you're making a good decision. The houses, there's a lot of them out there. You just have to be smart enough to know that you have to move quick. Over 6 million houses sold in 2021, and that's more than in the last 10 years, but the ones that sell, they come on the market quick and you have to buy them quick. So the whole concept of like taking your time to really think and process, that's what's losing you houses. Good luck out there. And if you're a seller, you net about 18% more on average with a realtor than you do on your own. So good luck to everyone. If you're looking to do real estate, let me know. I'll see you all soon.